In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stop on Waze in the 2025 tutorial. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, this quick guide will ensure you can stop for that cup of coffee or pick up a friend without missing a turn. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open the Waze app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download it from your app store. After launching the app, enter your final destination. This is the endpoint of your journey, so make sure to type it in accurately. Once you've done that, go ahead and tap the big Go button to start your route. Now that navigation is active, you'll notice a blue arrow or an ETA bar at the bottom of your screen. It's like your command center where you can view traffic updates and other vital information. This is also where we'll make our changes, so tap on it. After tapping it, you'll see an option labeled Add a Stop. Click on that, and the app will flash a new search bar right in front of you. This is handy because it lets you type in an address or a point of interest, like a well-loved cafe or that new gas station everyone's talking about. Once you've typed in the address or point of interest you want to stop at, you'll see some search results pop up. Simply tap on the appropriate option to select it. Now you're going to see a couple of choices here. Make sure to click Go, and then, this is important, on the pop-up screen select Add a Stop. If everything goes smoothly, tap Go Now, and your new stop will be seamlessly added to your route. This newly added stop will appear in your navigation as a stop before your final destination. The app will recalculate your trip and guide you there before continuing to your endpoint. The beauty of using Waze is that you'll remain informed about traffic conditions and ETAs, even with this extra pit stop. So there you have it. Adding a stop on Waze is not just straightforward, but incredibly efficient, ensuring your journey remains smooth even if it takes an extra detour. Hopefully, this guide makes your next trip easier and more enjoyable. Thank you for tuning in, and happy travels!